In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type Chinese in Google Docs and Slides. Whether you are preparing a document or building a presentation, the process is the same and only takes a minute to set up. Start by opening a new or existing file in Google Docs or Google Slides. At the very top of the screen, click File, then choose Language. This setting tells Google what language your document is primarily using, which helps with things like spell check and formatting suggestions. In the list that appears, scroll down and select Chinese. You'll see two main options, Chinese Simplified and Chinese Traditional. Simplified is commonly used in mainland China and Singapore, while Traditional is used in regions like Taiwan and Hong Kong. Pick the one that matches your needs. After setting the language, look toward the top right of the toolbar for a new icon that appears. It often looks like a Chinese character or a small keyboard. This is your Input Tools icon. Click it to activate the Chinese input method for your document or slides. Think of this as turning on a special keyboard that understands how to convert what you type into Chinese characters. Now you are ready to type. Start entering words using Pinyin, which is the standard way to write Chinese sounds with the Latin alphabet. As soon as you begin, a Pinyin bar or suggestion panel will appear with character choices that match what you typed. Type the Pinyin for your word. Then glance at the suggestions. You can usually press the number key that matches the character you want, or use the arrow keys to move through options and press Enter or Space to confirm. If you don't see the right character immediately, keep typing more of the word to narrow it down. Or move to the next page of suggestions if one is available. Don't worry about tones, most input methods don't require tone marks, and they'll still find the correct characters based on context. When you want to switch back to English, you have two quick options. Click the same Input Tools icon again to toggle it off, or tap the Shift key to switch between Chinese and English input on the fly. If Shift doesn't change the input, just use the icon to be sure you are back in your normal keyboard. That's it. You've set your document language, activated the input tool, typed with Pinyin, and learned how to toggle between languages in both Google Docs and Slides. Thanks for watching.